Big St. Bernard with the barrel
Oh,
on it.
yeah.
What's in that barrel?
You know, who knows?
Probably some.
We know. We know.
Well, I think everyone has trick-or-treating on their mind, whether you bring your furry pets or not. It is going to be a nice one out there, though a little chilly. So you definitely want to make sure you have a few layers on and even a heavy jacket as we move through that later forecast tonight. Here's a weather headline. Still windy for today. We haven't completely gotten away with those winds that we saw yesterday. It won't be quite as strong, but occasional gusts near 30 miles per hour will be possible. Frosty cold for tonight before we see a few showers moving in for Thursday. After that point, we actually have a bit of a climb in our temperatures as we move toward Friday. Let's get you out the door right now, though. We have some of us down into the upper 30s to lower 40s as we move inland. With Orange right now about 43 degrees, Keene at a cooler 37. But as you move from Worcester toward the coastline, it's those upper 40s to even lower 50s. Plymouth mild at 52, but there's those winds I was talking about, and you can see 10 to 20 mile per hour winds. So you're still feeling that breeze heading out the door, and that's of course making those temperatures feel just slightly cooler. As we inch closer towards sunrise, we will see those winds start to die down just a bit later this morning, but they pick back up as we head into the afternoon. So still looking gusty. We have occasional gusts to near 30 miles per hour, especially moving down toward the Cape and Islands. For the rest of us, likely gusting near 25 miles per hour. Clear skies overhead, and that's going to be the case right on into this afternoon as temperatures reach into the upper 50s, which is right around average for this time of year. So it's that fall-like feel that's settling back into the area. You move inland, though, it's the low to mid 50s. Worcester about 50 degrees, so a slight chill. But Boston 58 degrees, Marshfield sitting at 59. Now tonight is when that chill starts to settle in. It's a clear and calm evening, frosty cold. You'll be surprised by how quickly those temperatures are going to drop tonight as we do see those clear conditions still in place. The system we were tracking yesterday, well, that's well to our north and east at this point, but you can still see some of that circulation around it. So that's what's keeping us a bit breezy for today, and especially as we move out to the north and west areas of the Great Lake region, still seeing even some showers for today. But for us, we're clear until we move into Wednesday night and Thursday. We're tracking a next warm front moving into the area. That's going to bring those showers, but it's also going to bring a warm up as we move into the later portion of the work week. So for the trick-or-treaters tonight, here's what's to plan for. Temperatures falling quickly. We start off in the mid 50s, falling into the 40s as we move into the later forecast this evening. Don't forget, sunset's about 5:39, so it's an early sunset tonight. Frosty start heading into tomorrow before that warm up to 70 by Friday. How are the roadways looking, Kevin?
Well, we're off.